Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at Smith Rock State Park shooting sunrise. Trying out a new camera angle here. I'm using my tripod like a ginormous selfie stick. I look crazy, everyone else around here, but I don't care. We're just gonna kind of be cruising around this trail through the valley right here. Hopefully you guys can see the view over there. It is a gorgeous morning out here in Central Oregon. Damn, bro. This light looks crazy, dog. Look at this. Hi guys, so I'm back with the tripod stick. I was gonna walk through the valley up where the light was hitting the mountains. Then as soon as I turned around, I saw this view over here. So I have decided to walk back this way where I started, and I'll probably walk the opposite way through the valley. So let's see you guys there. So guys, I'm an idiot. I forgot to get new batteries for my mic, and the mic's on red, so I probably won't be doing too much talking in this video, but just enjoy these clips and these photos, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I just recorded that clip of me saying my mic's gonna die, and then I turned my film camera on, and guess what else is about to die? My film camera. Go me. But look at this. When I got here this morning, it was only like 40 degrees. Now that the sun's out, it's getting pretty warm, so I'm gonna take probably both my jackets off, because I got this one and this one. North Face underneath. North Face sponsor me, please. I'm begging you. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna say we're just gonna keep on cruising down here, swinging left up here, go up this valley. I actually haven't ever hiked this way. I've only hiked to the top way up there, or back the way we just were. So I'm pretty stoked to see what's around this corner. All right, so sweatshirt is off. I am feeling better now. Sun's pretty warm and bright. I don't really want to put my sunnies on though, so I'll have to keep taking them off to adjust my exposure. Also, I just had like a little panic attack because I forgot I had my Apple Watch on right here, and I heard Siri talking, and I was like, why is Siri talking from the bushes? But then I figured out it was my watch. Low key, so far, I think I'm at like this way better than the other way around the valley. I don't know if that's just because it is new to me, or if I actually like it better. I don't know, but I'm like what I'm seeing so far this way. Bro, I need a dedicated video camera. I'm out here shooting my iPhone film camera, and I'm using my digital, obviously, for both video and photo. But every time I have to switch between video and photo, I have to change it from video mode to manual mode, and then I have to change all the settings, and I gotta take my filter off every single time. So I think my goal within the next year is to get a dedicated video camera so I can do both. And that way you guys can see me shooting digital photos too. Also, a quick side note, I am actually really liking this little tripod, not little, this thing is huge, I got it fully extended, tripod selfie stick here. Get you guys looking at me from all angles here. But yeah, I don't know how much further I'm gonna go here in the valley, and I think my mic's gonna die, so this might be the end of the video, but if it is, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, you know, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.